welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a cool song here from RUSS, Put You On Game. Okay, Put You On Game. This one is one of those songs where we have chord and we use a strumming pattern, but we will also try to build in a melody into this. So a cool song here, cool sound from RUSS. Let's start this one up. And what we will do here, we will have a capo set here on the 6th fret to get these high notes, okay? And that will be the easiest scenario for us to build in this melody as well. So capo on 6, and the only chord we will use for this song is an A minor. All right, so A minor is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. All right, so that's the only chord used for a song, and we can right now look into this strumming pattern that we will use, and then we will end this one to look at the melody, the notes we need for the melody. All right, so first the strumming pattern. It's an ongoing strumming pattern, you can say. It will be hard to keep that straight through entire song, especially if you try to hit the notes we're looking at, but this is the bass, okay? So one round will be down, up, clap, up, down, up. So like this. Again, down, up, clap, up, down, up. So imagine the clap being a down, then it will be down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So 4 down ups. But now we will replace the 3rd down with a clap, so it will be down, up, clap, up, down, up. So that's one round. And to give you an idea of how it sounds, for a while it will go like this. You could play that and be fine with it, but it's that much cooler to try to hit this melody. So we'll look at that now. All right, so I will give you the notes first, and then I will show you how you could work with the strumming pattern to get the right sound here. All right, so we'll start with the notes. We have one chunk first that is played for 3 rounds, and that part is like this. Okay, so that is the best way to hold the chord as it is, the A minor, and from that chord you have these notes. So it's 2nd D, 2nd G, then open B, then 1st B, and then comes open E, 1st B, then repeat, open E, then 1st B, and then you end with open B. So 2nd D, 2nd G, open B, 1st B, open E, 1st B, open E, 1st B, and open B. That's how the rhythm goes. So that's 3 rounds, and then you have 1 round of the ending here. It goes like this. Okay, so all right, so it's basically on the B string. You go 1st fret on B string, then open and 1st, and here it goes pretty fast. I use the hammer-on technique, so I play the open first, and then I just hammer, and you do that for 3 times. So you start with the first B string, and then you do this for 3 times, and then you end with the open B string. Okay, so the final part was first B, then open first, open first, open first, and then open B. So that's the whole melody. Actually, I'm gonna take you through this. So the first part was this. For 3 rounds, and then comes this final for 1 round. Alright, so there you have the melody with the A minor. You could try to hit as many notes as you can from this melody and still kind of keeping this strumming. The clap, it's hard to get the clap on every strumming round. So sometimes you will just skip the clap and play the note instead. But anyway, if you get like half of these notes, it will make a big difference. So just go for it and try to get this this rhythm going on with the strumming and hit the notes, and you will be fine. Take some practice. It's hard to learn and to educate you guys on exactly how to do it. It's more about a feeling, but get comfortable with the notes and the sound and the strumming, and then you will build up your perfection there to master this melody and do it with this strumming. So it could go something like this. With just skip the clap, and then once you get comfortable with hammering downs and ups with your right hand and get these notes, you can add in the clap as well, something like this. So on. All right, guys, so that is RUSS' cool song called Put You on Game. So good luck with this one, guys, and I hope you enjoy it. Play tuned.